here's our volcano.
We put like a little plastic bottle in there, so.
I don't know if you can see because of the lighting, but.
Okay, so first we're gonna pour in a little vinegar. Oh shoot.
I think that's good. Doesn't smell very nice.
Duh. And we're gonna sprinkle in. We don't know how this will react.
I can hear it sizzling. You need help?
Oh, there it is. There it goes. There it goes. Here.
Okay, now put a lot. Oh, not, I guess.
Stick my hand in there. There we go. And our volcano. Look at that. That's so cool. Oh, I can taste the vinegar.
Ew, what the heck? Oh, that looks
That's
so
cool.
cool. Look at that. That looks satisfying.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
That's so cool. Look at that. At first we were just like making a volcano and then putting like some water around it to make it look a little
Here,
more
hold this.
realistic. Oh, yeah, there you can see the.
I might put some. See if they're. Oh, there we go.
Oh my goodness.
Again. Some more vinegar in there. Oh, jeez.
Okay.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Should we take the bottle out, see what? Or no?
Not yet.
Okay.
That's cool. Look at there's some stuff right here.
That feels weird.
Oh my goodness. I wish you could feel that. It's like satisfyingly weird.
Oh, it smells.
I know. Of course, it's
Dare
vinegar.
me to lick it.
No.
Dare me to?
Yes.
Okay, leave a like for this video.
Please leave a like.
Oh, jeez. Baking soda and vinegar with sand is gonna.
It's disgusting, I know.
Okay. Should we destroy it? They could watch us destroy the volcano.
Yeah, we're gonna destroy this volcano,
Okay,
guys.
ready,
Set, go!
Oh, it smells so bad.
I know.
Look at this. You know what? You know what we can still do?
We can still make a volcano. Yeah, put a little baking soda. Oh, jeez, Kale. Okay, put in a little more vinegar.
It's coming now. It's coming.
Okay.
Oh, let's stop. No, it didn't. Never mind. It's coming.
Look, it's just like puffing. Puffing.
Puffin.
Oh, jeez. Kale. Okay, get in a little more baking soda.
Just get a handful. I don't know if that's gonna do it.
It's okay.
Oh, here it goes. Oh, come on.
It's not reaching up. Oh, there.
There it is.
There. Kale.
It smells like
Vinegar.
Easter. Yeah. It smells like Easter egg.
Easter.
Well, we use vinegar for Easter.
Oh dear. I
$20 if you drink this.
No.
No, just
Put it on the volcano. Well,
put some baking soda on it.
Yeah, there we go. There's an idea. Gail. It's not gonna work. Look, it's baking soda. It's wet baking soda. It looks like
Are you
a
even
root
showing the
beer.
camera at it?
It looks like a root beer float, kind of.
Ew.
There we
That's
go.
something you would eat.
Yeah, it's really not something you should eat.
It looks so weird.
Please
Look
try
at
this
that.
at home.
Just not in like a kitchen or something.
Yeah, don't do it in a kitchen, just in a sandbox or
that
something.
feels so weird.
Oh my goodness. Whoa.
Well, I'm destroying it more.
Okay, destroy it more. Look at those fists.
It's a fury.
Yeah,
Oh,
right?
whoops.
Look at those feet of fury. There we go.
Now sand's gonna smell like vinegar.
I know. Really?
Carter. Yeah.
Not that bad.
Okay, well, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Here's the ingredients.
Please try this at home. It's only vinegar and baking soda, so it should be,
And you can use
Stuff
some
you have.
food coloring probably.
yeah, like red, blue, yellow.
I would use red if you're doing a volcano.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed.
If you're doing a dragon, you can do other things.
See you guys later.
Bye.